Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions.
Today we have two dash cams that will take your driving experience to the next level.
On the left side, we have the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam, and on the right side, we have the E-YEEGER Dash Cam WiFi 2.40p front dash camera.
Get ready for some epic comparisons.
Let's start with the most important feature of a dash cam: video quality. The ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam boasts 4K UHD recording at 2160p and 30 frames per second. That's some serious clarity.
On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi offers 2.K resolution at 1440p, which is still pretty impressive. Now let's talk about connectivity. The ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam takes it up a notch with advanced 5G and 2.0 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi. You can pair your smartphones with the dash cam using the ROVE Dash Cam app. It's like having a personal video streaming platform for all your epic road trips. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi also offers 2.4G Wi-Fi connectivity and comes with its own app. You can easily preview, download, and share videos with your friends and family.
It's like having your own little social media platform for dash cam enthusiasts.
Both dash cams have some cool additional features.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam comes with built-in GPS, which records your driving routes, locations, and speed stamps directly on the video. It's like having your own personal travel log. On the other hand, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi has a mini and hidden design that won't block your view while driving. Plus, it has a heat-resistant chipset and aluminum alloy shell, making it more durable in extreme weather conditions. It's like having a dash cam that's as tough as nails. Now let's talk about parking mode. The ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam offers a custom-designed 24-hour parking mode with 3 options: 1 FPS time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection.
It's like having a personal security guard for your car. Meanwhile, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi also has a parking mode that automatically switches on when your car is parked.
It ensures your car is under surveillance 24/7, protecting it from theft or vandalism.
It's like having a secret agent guarding your vehicle.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam and the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi are both fantastic choices depending on your preferences and budget.
If you want top-notch video quality and advanced features, go for the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam.
But if you're looking for great video quality on a budget, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi is a solid option.
And there you have it, folks.
The ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam and the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi are both fantastic choices depending on your preferences and budget.
If you want top-notch video quality and advanced features, go for the ROVE R2-4K Pro Dash Cam.
But if you're looking for great video quality on a budget, the E-YEEGER Dash Cam Wi-Fi is a solid option.
Remember, at Buy Smart, we're here to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Stay smart and see you next time.